Hello guys, my name is Krishna Gupta and you are most welcome to my channel. So, skill development. You must have heard this word many a times, but if you don't know why is it so important, then this video is for you. So, first of all, we will be talking about what is a skill, then its importance, and finally I will be giving you top 5 skills which will be beneficial for you to learn irrespective of your profession or age. You should learn this. And the last thing, please watch this full video because half knowledge is dangerous. So please don't skip it. Okay, now let's start. Okay, so first, what is a skill? A skill is the ability to do something well. If you are able to do anything well, then that is your skill. For example, if you are good in playing games, then you have good gaming skills. If you are good in coding, then you have coding skills. If you are good in conversation with strangers or with other people, then you have good communication skills. So maybe now you are clear about what is a skill. Now, second part, why is it so important? See, what I realized in this pandemic, I want to make you realize that thing. See, what was going to happen is that the digitalization, the online work from home, the everything which has gone online now, were going to be happen in 2025. But due to this coronavirus pandemic, everything shifted 5 years back, and now we are doing a lot of things online which were going to happen 5 years after. So, what I am going to say about that? See, what we have to skill development is important because the future is coming, is going to be automation, is going to be technology based. See, after 15 to 20 years, driverless cars are going to replace all the drivers on the roads. It has already started in America, and it will be in about 15 to 20 years. Everything will be replaced. All the drivers will be replaced. All the repetitive jobs like data entry, receptionist, like drivers, all the repetitive jobs which does not require any creativity, you just anyone can do, that robots can do too. So that jobs are going to be replaced. So that is why skill development is most important, because the people who are skillful, the things which only humans can do are not going to be replaced ever. So you have to focus on your skill development, because in future it will be very difficult. The unemployment will rate be high if we will not focus on skill development. So my request is for the people who are in the age of between 16 to 24, please focus on your skill development. See guys, we are the younger generation, and the coming future is going to be technology based. It is going to be an automation based. So we should take initiative. We have to develop our country. We are developing country, so we have the power. We younger generation have to do it. We have to change it. See, you must have heard about privatization. What happens in private jobs? All the people in private, only people who have skills are given jobs. So this is going to be happen. That is why skill development is the most important thing. Now the last part, the 5 top skills which you should be learning irrespective of your profession or age. So the first skill is communication skill. See, communication is the most important thing. If you are in a job, in a business, whatever, to put forward your points, whatever you want to say, to put it in front of everyone, you should know how to communicate, how to say, how to put your points. This is called communication skill. So this is very important. You should be always knowing this. So communication skills is the first most important thing. Now the second one, leadership skill. See, what is leadership skill? See, if you are in a job, then if you have such a post, then people are working under you, so you have to lead them. See, if you are in a business, you are a boss of a company, you have to run your company. So all these things require leadership skill. A good leader will lead his company. He will be at a growth rate. So leadership skill is the second most important, that will be beneficial for you anywhere, any place. So the second is leadership skill. Now the third, see, I'm talking in terms of the coming future. So what's going to be happen, the future is going to be technology based. So all the technology, the robots, the artificial intelligence, whatever is going to be, the basic is coding. So your coding skills should be good. So the third most important skill is coding. If you like to do coding, then please focus on this. If you don't like to do, then that's okay, no problem. But you should learn at least basic coding. You should know how it works. Okay, that was third skill. Now fourth, digital skills. Again, the future is going to be technology based, so you should be aware about all the digital skills, the things which are happening, like digital marketing and whatever the things, how people are earning money online, how people are doing YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, how this social media is so powerful that people are earning money from that. So you should learn digital skills. You should be aware that how they are doing all the things. Now the last skill, the fifth skill, which is time management. See, time management, I have told in the previous video also that it is the most important skill. All the successful people, they have also the same time, we have also the same time. So what's the difference is that they use it so effectively that they are now successful. So that is what we have to do. We have to learn time management, so we can acquire all skills in time management, will definitely complete all your goals before your fixed time. So that's what important. So these were the 5 skills you should always learn, and that's going to be happen very very beneficial for you. So thank you guys very much. If you like this video, press a like. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe it. And thank you for watching my channel. Thank you very much.